GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
मिल्की मिस्ट पनीर, मिल्की मिस्ट पनीर।
मुझे मराठी सिखा के भेजा है, बट अगर गलत हुआ तो प्लीज माफ कर देना। आम्ही सर्व तुमच्यावर खूप प्रेम करतो. Did I say it right? Yeah.
Only Army, you said like you were
I'm Bengali.
I loved him in Animal, and let's not go into the other things.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But he, as an actor, fantastic. Alia is doing a very good job. Kriti is doing very good. I was shooting for someone else. I used to go to the studios where the song was shot. From 7 to 2, we used to shoot this song, and in 3 days we finished the song. Like 3 nights, like 7 to 2, 7 to 2, 7 to 2 finished.
But you used to do
And it was chalo jaldi karo jaldi. That was the whole attitude.
Shah Rukh Khan.
What I tolerate,
And admire.
the way he treats people, not just the actors, but everyone else.
Yeah.
You know, it's amazing.
Salman sir.
Salman's very mischievous, very naughty.
Sanjay sir. Okay, last one. Aishwarya, Manisha, Vidya and Charisma. These are the people you've danced with. Which has been your favorite duet? Oh no! Of course, we have a small segment that I'm
Okay.
gonna do with you.
No, it's a game segment.
No, it's a rapid fire.
Okay.
It's a small segment because I feel like we get to meet you so less. और मैंने आपके लिए मराठी सीखी है थोड़ी सी.
अरे वाह,
मुझे मराठी
very good.
सिखा के भेजा है, but अगर गलत हुआ तो प्लीज माफ कर देना. आम्ही सर्व तुमच्यावर खूप प्रेम करतो. Did I say it right? Yeah.
Only Army, you said like you were
I'm Bengali. I'm Bengali.
Army.
Ami.
आता उसमें. Ami.
Ami. So we have Madhuri ma'am joining us for this. I've of course screwed up in Marathi a little bit, but
No,
Jai
it was
Maharashtra.
good. It was good.
Actors from the new generation, male and female, who you admire for the work that they're doing. Any?
I think Ranbir Kapoor. I think he's doing. I loved him in Animal, and let's not go into the other things.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes,
But
no
he, as an actor, fantastic. He's done
Okay.
such a good job.
And female actors?
Female actors. Alia is doing a very good job. Kriti is doing very good. These are the films I saw recently.
Because Kriti is a friend, because you named Kriti. Kriti again has always been like enamored and like she admires you so much. She says that she used to be a very shy kid, but the only song she used to dance on was Ek Do Teen and Alone. She used to tell us that मैं उस पे करती थी बहुत मुझे बहुत. You know, you've been an idol to so many of us from this generation. Which has been your most challenging character, ma'am?
Wow. Which has been the most challenging character for me? I think the one in Pukar, because this was the first time I was doing a negative role.
Yeah.
And also Gulab Gang, which was physically very tiring
Yeah.
because I did all the stunts and everything myself. And after that, playing in Bhul Bhulaiya, because
Absolutely.
that again was a very different role for me.
Anis Bhai said that when we met him, he said that अब ये cast तो नहीं change हो सकती. And he said we'll add everybody from the originals also. जो सारे movie में भूल भुलैया 4 should have everybody. 3 films, अभी re-release का ज़माना है, बहुत सारी movies re-release हो रहे. 3 films that you wish की re-released of yours आज.
Oh boy. I think Dil To Pagal है will be a great film to read.
पर वो तो हुई थी
हुई थी?
release.
Oh.
हाँ, और बहुत मतलब बहुत we've cried, we've danced, we've done everything.
I think Hamam Ke Hai Kaun also they had re-released
Yeah.
in the theatre. What do you think of like Beta? That could be because it's still relevant.
That's true.
The
Sajan.
Saas Bahu drama.
That is true. Sajan.
Sajan.
Maybe.
Sajan could re-release, or even Dil probably.
Also maybe Mrityudan.
Or Mrityudan. Yeah.
Yeah.
That could also be.
You know, when you speak about Beta, did you ever feel that this song will become this iconic?
You
when
don't
you
know
were
how we
shooting?
shot for that song.
How?
Because that song was added last minute. You know how Induji always adding something last minute. So उन्होंने last minute add किया. I had dates. I had to leave for Ooty for work, and I was not coming back for a month and a half. So then he said, नहीं ये तो आपको करके जाना है. अभी release पे आ गई है film, and you have to do this song. So I was shooting for someone else. I used to go to the studios where the song was shot. From 7 to 2, we used to shoot this song, and in 3 days we finished the song. Like 3 nights, like 7 to 2, 7 to 2, 7 to 2 finished.
But you used to do
And it was chalo jaldi karo jaldi. That was the whole attitude.
But did you think जब हो गया था गाना कि ये आज भी लोग इसी
I
पे
had no time to think about that song. I just shot and I went to Ooty and I was shooting for something else. And when the movie released, it was like the song it took a life of its own.
That's true. Okay, the quality you admire and tolerate about your co-stars. You have to say tolerate. I've not said hated, but
Okay.
tolerated. Shah Rukh Khan.
What I tolerate?
Tolerate and admire.
No, I think I just admire him.
Okay,
I don't
chalo.
have to. He's a very sweet, sweet character. Very chivalrous, very nice. And
Do you have any moment which will always remain in your head about Shah sir?
well, just his demeanor, his manners, his the way he treats people, not just the actors, but everyone else.
Yeah.
You know, it's amazing.
Salman sir.
Salman's very mischievous, very naughty.
Amir sir.
Amir, he's very serious. He used to be very serious in his work, and everything was like for him has to be perfect. You know, वो shot भी perfect होना चाहिए. I just did 2 films with him.
Yeah.
So
Akshay sir.
Akshay was, I think even when he used to dance, it used to be like an action sequence. You know.
That is true. Sanjay sir.
Again, very mischievous, always up to something. You know.
Pranks,
the
pranks.
pranks, सब चलते रहते थे उनके.
Okay, now you have to recast only last one. I'm gonna give you your films. Who do you think from this generation can enact only in your role, only in your character?
God.
If it was recast, Dil To Pagal Hai.
Oh my God. Someone who can dance. Maya. It's okay. Maybe Kriti?
Okay. हम आपके हैं कौन?
हम आपके हैं कौन? Alia.
Okay, last one. Aishwarya, Manisha, Vidya, and Charisma. These are the people you've danced with. Which has been your favorite duet? The most challenging one, chalo. Favorite, I know you will not say, but which is the most challenging one, shoot-wise?
No, I think all of them are challenging because I was doing with Karishma when I danced with her. It was a very Western, jazz kind of dancing. It was Shamak's first film. So everything was like, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ये ऐसे, ये body language, ये ऐसे, all that. So that was one thing. Then when we did Dola Re Dola, there was a lot of coming in, going out for me and Ash. The camera's also moving, we are also moving. So, it was like, that was a challenge in that song. And now when we did this, there were 2 different dance styles.
Yeah.
Like Bharatanatyam and Kathak. And to get something that's synchronized movements, like both movements are looking synchronized, even though they're different styles. That was the challenge.
Okay. Finally, आपने vlogs में बहुत सारी चीजें आप cook करते हो. What's that one thing that you go to, like which is that go-to thing that you snack on or you eat any time in the day?
Snack on?
हाँ, क्योंकि आप बोलोगे हम बनाएंगे वो.
What?
Anything that you snack on or you eat through the day that you make at home.
That I make at home. I don't snack like that.
अच्छा.
Yeah, I just have like 3 meals and no snacks.
Not something that you make?
Something that I make. I love poha, the Maharashtrian poha. I love that.
But thank you so much, ma'am. I feel like we should do more interviews more often because there's something about you that just warms the heart and makes it feel gentler and fonder. So thank you so much, and to many, many, many more projects. Touchwood. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Milky Mist Paneer. Milky Mist Paneer.